Oh.
Come here, let's open a present.
Here they come.
Danielle. Wow.
Parker, you want to open presents?
Where's the present for Parker? Here's Parker. Parker, look, open the box.
Oh boy.
Danielle.
Jenny.
Finish yours, honey.
There you go.
Mason. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mason wants the big one.
Yeah.
What do you got there?
Open it.
Now, also pay attention to the names of the
This one's for me. Okay. Danny, you didn't open it. You got it.
She's like, it's just a box.
Oh, it's taped.
Oh shoot. I don't have a knife on me. Or a key.
Do you have a trash bag?
Oh, yeah.
See you later.
Hold on, honey.